Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove SIM card from Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So we're gonna use the pin ejector. Of course, in my case I have my own, but you can find yours in the box of the device. The SIM tray is of course located at the bottom. Over here we have this hole on the left side. We need to insert the pin inside that hole, and once you put it in, we need to push just a little bit until the SIM tray comes out slightly, and then use your fingers in order to fully take it out. Now once the SIM tray is out, we can push from the bottom with your fingers, so you can push over here with your finger just gently to take out the SIM card. And once you take it out, you can place the SIM tray back into the device, and remember to place it, to insert it face up. And you can find out which way is the front by looking of course at the text over here. So let's put it back in, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.